barakatuh. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah. And you?
I am also fine by the grace of Allah. What is your name?
My name is Maryam Ikra. And your name?
My name is Sumaya Sneha. Do you study?
Yeah, I study.
What class do you reading?
I read in class 5. And you?
I also reading class 5. Where do you study?
I study at madrasa. What's the name of the institution? Where do you read?
The name of the institution I study at is Sumaya Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anha Mahila Qawmi Madrasa.
Thank you. How many students have in your madrasa?
Almost 500 students have in our madrasa.
How many teachers have in your madrasa?
There are 20 teachers in our madrasa. 10 teachers are female and 10 teachers are male.
How is study quality of your madrasa education?
Alhamdulillah, it is all in all.
What subjects do you like best?
I like Arabic and English, and yours?
I also like Arabic and mathematics. Do you like reading Quran?
Yes, I love reading Quran. What do you want to be in the future?
Want to be an alima, a good Muslim, and go to Jannat by doing good things, inshallah.
MashaAllah, that's a good dream.
Who is the director of your madrasa?
The first director of the institution was Maulana Jahiruddin Rahmatullahi alayhi. The current director is Mufti Abdul Qadir, the head of our madrasa.
What is your opinion of current director?
Alhamdulillah, he is a good director in every way.
MashaAllah, Allah bless him. How is the attitude of the teacher about you?
Alhamdulillah.